How to create discount when someone purchases 2 tickets on Eventbrite. The first thing I'm going to be doing is tapping on create event, and I'm just going to walk you through it real quick. So you'll tap on create event, and from there you'll be able to upload a cover photo and video, and you'll be able to add a title for your event. So I'll just call it test event real quick. Then we're going to add in a summary right here describing the event. After doing that, you'll scroll down, and from there you'll be able to add the location. So let's say, for example, I were to select online event. Then from there you can also select the date that the event will be held and the time, and you're just going to tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on save and continue, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to select the platform that you'll be keeping the event on. But for now, we're just going to breeze through that since I want to show you what you really came here for. So after tapping on add tickets from the left hand menu option, you'll be presented with 3 options, and you're going to select paid. After selecting paid, you're going to put in the quantity of tickets, and you can put in the price that you would like to sell the tickets for, and choose the date that you would like to start selling the tickets. After doing that, you're going to tap on save once more in the bottom right hand corner, and once here you can choose the currency. After doing that, right where you see general admission, you're just going to tap on the 3 dots in line with general admission. Then you're going to see the option add a 2-for-1 deal. So tickets with promotions sell 15% better. So you're going to tap right there. Then you could choose the general admission, or if you have different tier tickets, you could choose it. And then how many 2-for-1 deals do you want to offer? And you could select the amount that you would like to offer. So let's say, for example, I would like to offer 8. You can put in the quantity by tapping on quantity, then entering it. And you'll select create. And that's it. You can see it right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.